Welcome back, YouTube. I'm going to make a quick little video here about an unboxing of something I got from Mercedes. So this is a good video for all you Mercedes owners out there. If you have high mileage on your car, it's an award that Mercedes gives for free. You just have to fill out a form and they send you this award for free. It's kind of cool depending on the mileage of your car. So let's do an unboxing and check it out. Okay, so here's what you do. You go to Google, you type Mercedes Benz mileage award. Blank. Here you got mbusa.com. I think if you come down there, here you go. mbusa.com, classic car community, high mileage award application. Click on that, and there you are. You have a form, PDF. You can fill it out right on here. Fill out which one you want. 250,000 kilometer, 500, 750, a million miles. I hope I get to that one. Fill it all out. Put your name, address, dealer. So then you take it to the dealer. And he will sign here. He will look at your car. He'll confirm your model, your VIN number, your odometer mileage and everything. And then you mail it to this address right here. Print this out, take it to your dealer. He signs it, mail it to this address. And then 6 to 8 weeks later, you'll get something pretty cool in the mail. All for free. Okay, so after you send that form in, about 6 weeks later, maybe 8 weeks, I don't know, it's a really long time. I forgot all about it even. I was pretty excited when I saw the box at the door. But anyhow, you get a box like this. See, it comes from, I don't know if you can read that, it comes from Bennett Graphics, Tucker, Georgia. So anyhow, let's open it up and see what we got. Drum roll, please. And no, okay, no drum roll. All right, check it out. This is what we got. Ooh. Oh, it's all metal. Oh, that's cool. So this is kind of a typical Mercedes emblem. I don't know if you can see that. This says 250,000 kilometers. I guess it's a 250,000 kilometer, a 500,000 kilometer, and I think the other one was 1,000,000 miles, it said on the form. I don't know. You'll see it because I'll have shown you the form by now in this video. But anyhow, yeah, that's kind of cool. It's like two separate pieces, so you could put whatever on that. But yeah, kind of cool, huh? I guess you just put this right on the front grille of the car. We'll go check that out in a minute. That's the emblem for your car. And we got this paper that says, let me cover up my name and address. It says, congratulations on joining the growing circle of Mercedes Benz owners who own vehicles that have traveled far enough to qualify for the high mileage status. Such an achievement requires both an incredible vehicle and a very special owner who is dedicated to maintaining a vehicle as we are building it. Yeah, or an owner who's dedicated to just fixing it himself because they don't want to pay ridiculous money to get this car fixed. Anyhow, building extraordinary automobiles has been our passion since the founding of our company over 125 years ago. Our customers' passion for driving and maintaining them has created a special legacy that is reinforced every time we celebrate another high mileage vehicle. Again, congratulations on your vehicle's achievement, and on behalf of Mercedes Benz USA, I wish you more miles of pleasurable driving. Sincerely, Michael F. Coons, Mercedes Benz Classic Center. Pretty cool though, huh? So let's see what else we got. There's more. Oh, there's more. Look at this. It's like I graduated from college. I don't know what I'm going to do with this, but it's pretty cool. Can you see that? Has my VIN. Has my VIN on there. 250,000 kilometers. Got some really old chick on there holding the thing. 2010 C300 4MATIC. It's pretty cool. I mean, it's free. Fill out a form. Get this to put on your car. Kind of cool, right? So, all right, well, let's go put it on the car. So, I've seen some other people get these high mileage awards, and they were putting them like on the grill. Hang on, let me crank this down. They were putting them like on their grill, but I think like this is a sport model, C300 Sport. And so the only thing different between the Sport and the luxury model is the hood emblem is flat like this. The luxury model, it's that one that's up. And the grille, this looks sporty. I'm probably gonna get dizzy because I'm in the garage. It's cold outside today. Winter's back. Sporty looking grille. And the other one is not sporty looking. I forget what it looks like, but you know, I could probably put a picture up for you to see. But anyhow, they were putting them on those kind of grills. And you know, looking at how this thing mounts, I don't really see how you could. I'd be afraid to. Yeah. I don't know how I could get it to mount on there. I mean, I suppose I could drill holes in here, but I hate to do that. I hate to drill holes. I could. I'm actually wondering if I take this emblem off, which is all faded anyhow. That blue color is all gone from it. Actually, somebody stole my hood ornament once, years ago. And that's like some cheap, probably made in China thing from Amazon, but so I probably should take it off there anyhow, huh? So yeah, I'm wondering if I can get that on there. So let's try that. Let me open the hood up and see. Let's see how, I don't remember how I fixtured that thing on there years ago. It's in this hole right here. There we go. It just popped out. Pushed in these two tabs here. And I don't even know how the old one was on there because I never took it off. Someone else took it off for me. So, let's see. Could I put this? It's quite different, but this seems to be just two pieces of like plastic or Teflon here. I don't know if that was just for shipping to hold it in that box or what. These could possibly be, I don't know, some kind of thing like that. Let's just see. It would have to be because the only thing on the back of this is just two little nuts and some rubber washers. Let's see. Okay, I don't think you need to watch me unscrew. Well, maybe I can do it like speed the video up. This will look really fast. It'll look amazing. It screwing stuff up. It's kind of cool how this is separate. So they probably just make millions of these things, and then they make, you know, this according to how many miles you got. Which I have almost 500,000 kilometers already. But I didn't learn about this until now, so could have had this a long time ago. Well, let's just see. Oh, gee, I didn't want to close the hood. Well, anyhow, let me just see if it even lays on there nicely. I mean, I guess it lays on there all right. Let me go pop the hood again. Hopefully I didn't lose all my hardware under there. Yeah, I mean, it's not, you know, it's not rounded with those clips like the other one. I'm sure it's probably not supposed to go here. I mean, it didn't come with any instructions, but I think this is kind of a DIY thing anyhow. Let's see if well, it also feels like it's going to scratch the paint here. You know, see, the reason I closed the hood is because the camera's too low. You can't see what I'm doing. How's that? So yeah, I'm afraid this, you know, this is all metal. How, I don't know, it did have these little rubber things, but they just go on there. They're not going to keep it from scratching anything. Unless this keeps it from scratching. No, this don't even go on. So that's definitely a no-go. No-go. I'm gonna go off. There we go. Yeah, now I'm torn now that I notice that it kind of, I don't think there's any way I'm going to keep that from moving around. I don't even know if you can see this. That would hold it there, but I mean, if we're talking Mercedes quality, this is not what I would consider Mercedes quality. Yeah, it's really not meant to go on here. I'm certain of that. So I'm just not liking it. I'm not liking the fit. It's gonna scratch the paint here. Not that, I mean, I don't know, plenty of other scratch paint, but I don't want to make it even worse. So let's pop the Chinese thing back on here, which I should get a new one of these. It's looking kind of rough. Which is just spring loaded, see? Pops right on. Lickety split. And let's try something else with this. I almost feel like I need to go to YouTube. All right, let me think about this for a minute. I'll get back to you. Okay, so here's what I decided to do. Went to Home Depot, bought some lock nuts, can you see? M5 0.8. 2 lock nuts, 90 cents. That way I can use these nuts and washers that came with it. I tighten that down tight on there, and I'll get a wrench and tighten that down, and it seems like it's gonna go just like this. Let me see. Okay, so if you look here in the grill, there's a plastic bar. One goes up right there, So I think if I take these two bolts, put one on each side of that, it kind of locks it in there. And by bolting this, because this is a separate piece of metal here, by bolting that, that keeps that all tightened together. And then putting that up in there with one bolt on each side of that, that keeps it from going left and right. Yeah. I was afraid if I put it here, it might slide a little bit and get loose. This way, it can't slide left and right and get loose. And I think that looks pretty good, you know, having it in that spot. And if my car survives for the next one, it can go, you know, there, and the next, you know, thing. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. And then, I don't know if you can see down in here. Yeah, so you can see them both on each side like that. So let me see if I can get this on here. Hang on. Okay, so what I did, I don't know if you can see in there. Yeah, there it is. See? So I had to like hold the nut with the needle nose to get it down there, and then holding it with the needle nose with one hand, and then this hand down here to get it started on. And they're lock nuts, so they should stay pretty tight. And then yeah, I mean, so that's holding on there pretty good. So I think it's good. It won't move left and right, up or down. Yeah, perfect. So let's see. Excuse the dirty car right now. Needs washed for sure, but yeah, there you have it. Mercedes 250,000 kilometer high mileage award. Installed on the C300 Sport model grill. I think it looks pretty good. I need to get that fog light lens replaced, but anyhow, dirty car, but there it is. Cool. Hopefully I'll be making another video 5 years from now with my 500,000 mile or 500,000 kilometer award. There you go. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Hopefully you other high mileage Mercedes, I know a bunch of people watch these videos when I make them of my videos of my car. So hopefully hopefully some other people get their high mileage award. It's free. All you gotta do is fill out the paper and go to the dealer. He'll confirm your VIN number and mileage and mail it in. Get your free award. Pretty cool. Have a good one. Thanks.